Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use our software to create SMS opt-ins, and also I'll show you how to use our limiter feature within the autoresponder to do things like a one-time use coupon or limited use coupon. So perhaps you've been sitting at a restaurant a little bored and you start looking at the placards there on the table. You look at your menu and it says, something printed to the effect of, text, such and such a message to get a free entree with your next order, and they tell you a phone number that you're supposed to send a text message to. And so that's exactly what this feature does. It allows people to send a text message to you, and you can opt them into a list and then give them some kind of lead magnet. You might have an opt-in that says for a free ebook, text the word ebook to my number 1234567, whatever the phone number is, and then you send them some content, a free ebook. So it starts here by creating a list from your dashboard. So I'm going to go to my lists in the left-hand navigation here, and I'm going to create a new one. So you can see all the lists that I've currently got. I'm going to add a list, and I'm going to call it opt-ins or SMS opt-ins. These people want a free cookie. That's going to be my offer. And then if I click on my brand new list, SMS opt-ins, again, here it is, you'll see that it's empty. There's nobody as yet on this list. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here into my autoresponder and either create a brand new autoresponder, or you can edit any existing autoresponder, and we've got a whole video on how autoresponders work. I'm just going to edit this existing one that we created in that video, the training demo autoresponder, and I'm going to put in a keyword here. So I've already created it, but I'm going to edit it here so you can see exactly how I did that. So the keyword, anytime someone texts me the word coupon, or I'll add some more variations here, cookie, or I don't know, promo, anytime somebody texts any of these words, they're going to get this response. Okay, here's your free one-time use coupon. Show this message to your server for a free cookie. And if I wanted to, I could personalize it with some of this information, which is a good idea because it helps for deliverability. So maybe I'll say, okay, fname, and then type in our merge field here. We call these keywords. And then because I only want them to be able to redeem this coupon one time, I don't need people texting cookie over and over again and eating all my cookies. I'm going to use this feature, which is the auto response limit enable or disable. So you're going to turn it on and enter the limit, the number of coupons they can get. So if this is a one-time use coupon, I'm just going to put a 1 in there, but you can put any number you like. And then the fallback message is what you say to somebody who tries to enter it more than your limit. So on the second attempt, they're going to get this message, sorry, you've already gotten one cookie. The next thing I want to do is include an action. So they are opting into my list. So what I'm going to do is whenever someone dials this response on my autoresponder, I'm going to copy them. I could also move them, I suppose, but I'm going to copy them to one of my lists. And we just set up the SMS opt-in list. So they're going to get copied into this list. And then also optionally, if you like, you can click this box to upload a photo, browse to an image file on your desktop. I've already done one. I've got a nice little cookie image here. And I'm going to save that auto response. Okay, so there it is, cookie, coupon, promo. The next thing you got to make certain of is that this autoresponder is in fact attached to your phone number. Mine is not. So we're going to go to our phone number configuration screen, and on the training demo line, I'm going to hit the response configuration. You can see here that SMS is activated, but right now I'm not sending any responses. So all I want to do is choose auto response from this pull down, and then specify which autoresponder if you've got a list of them. Mine is the training demo autoresponder. That's the one we just did. So if this is set to auto response and this is activated, then the phone number is all set. I'll actually verify now by bouncing back to my autoresponder, and you can see that it is attached to that phone number now. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is I'll take one more glance over here at my list, my SMS opt-in list, to show you once again that it is empty. Okay, so now that I have created the SMS opt-in mechanism, maybe I want to go and promote it. You can post it to my Facebook page here. Just create a post. Text coupon to 1203, and here's the phone line. Put a fancy background on there. All right, we'll post that. So there it is on my timeline. Anybody who sees this can text this number or this message to this phone number and get that free cookie. Now I could pick up my cell phone, and this thing is live, so I could actually send a text message to myself right now and opt in. But to make it visually available to you, I've actually got another window, an incognito window that I've logged into the software with. And I'm going to use the quick message feature from this top navigation, and I'm going to send the message. The message I'm going to send is cookie, and I'm going to send it from my sales department line. Now, if you're using your personal cell phone that's in your hand, you obviously don't need to do this step, but I'm using the software to text message itself. So I'm going to choose to send from the sales department, and I'm going to send this message to my training demo phone line, which was 203-587-8968. And I'm going to go ahead and send that message. Here we go. We're sent. Okay, so if I now want to verify that that message was successfully sent and received, I could use the log feature up here in the top navigation. If I click on that, it'll show me all my outgoing and incoming messages. And I can see the top one looks like it's successfully sent. Oh, but I sent it twice. Okay, well, I accidentally hit that send button twice, I guess, my eager finger. But that's perfect, because you'll see I sent cookie once, sent it twice, and then the system replied the first time, okay, here's your free one-time use coupon. Show this message to your server for a free cookie, and it's got the image. And then it replied a second time, sorry, you've already gotten one coupon, when I attempted it a second time. So now I'm just going to switch out of this incognito window and go back to my existing admin account where you see the SMS opt-in list. If I refresh this list, you should see that I've just opted in myself, my other line. And there it is. There's the line that I sent the message from. So that's how we do SMS opt-ins, and you can use it to send content, lead magnets to folks in exchange for opting into your lists. And it's also how you can use the autoresponder limiter to do things like a one-time use coupon or limited use coupon. All right, have a great one and enjoy the next video.